Why does responsibility always come with consequences?
Great question. 1. Leviticus shifts focus to leaders who were trusted with sacred responsibility. 2. It asks why being chosen by God also brings serious accountability. 3. This section helps us see how responsibility shapes not just actions, but entire communities.
So, what does that actually mean?
Number 1. Priests were set apart not to feel important, but to serve carefully and humbly. Number 2. Holiness meant living intentionally because their choices affected everyone. Number 3. The Day of Atonement showed that even leaders needed forgiveness and correction.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, the brain strengthens when responsibility is practiced consistently. Second, clear roles and routines help the brain stay calm and focused. Third, repeated accountability builds self-control and wise decision-making.
How does this show up in real life?
Number 1. Student leaders influence others through everyday behavior. Number 2. Families rely on consistency from parents and caregivers. Number 3. Communities function better when people take responsibility seriously.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, responsibility grows like training a muscle through daily effort. Second, small faithful actions slowly build strength and trust. Third, discipline practiced over time leads to freedom and confidence.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Identify one responsibility you have been given and often overlook. Step 2. Reflect on how your choices affect others around you. Step 3. Commit to one small faithful action you will repeat daily.
What should we do today?
Today's challenge is simple, but powerful. 1. Choose one responsibility you normally rush through. 2. Complete it carefully and with intention. 3. Notice how responsibility builds trust and inner strength. Remember, Leviticus teaches that responsibility is a form of love and service. God invites leaders to walk with humility and care. Faith grows stronger when responsibility is carried with intention. If this sparked curiosity, leave a comment and share this with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.